up here, up,
Mm-hmm.
up here is because you see that I do not want to show what I have here. That's why. So up here we have I showed it already. So up here we have what we call it refused to go now. So here is where we call output window. We call it output or result window. Result window or output window, just like the way the name is, it is where our output, our results,
Okay.
whatever we are doing, this is where the result will be showing. Now for command, this is where we type our command. You want to type anything, this is where you can type. I can't type in the result window, it will not take it. You can see. Now for the variables, this is where your data set, all the variables you have in your data set will appear, while the properties will tell you information about either the variables or the whole data. Now for history, any operation that I perform will show in the history command. Do you see?
Yes.
Do you get it now?
Yes.
Okay, so there are two ways you can do analysis in STATA. You can either do point and click like this. I'm pointing, I'm clicking. Maybe I want to perform something, I want to draw graph. I can easily say I can point and click on it. Or you write command. You can either use point and click or you write command. But I'm going to try to teach you the two. The command is very simple. The
Okay.
point and click is beginner friendly. Just little stuff like, oh, you have to know where this thing is. And again, in STATA, there's something that I appreciate about STATA. Apart from the fact that people will go for STATA for the fact that when you want to work with large data sets, do you see the data set that I gave you?
Yeah.
Now, if you want to work with large data sets, there are some tools. For example, if you are familiar with Microsoft Excel, Excel cannot do that kind of analysis. It cannot take multiple data sets. But in this place, you can have maximum number of variables. In this work now,
Okay.
it is set to 5,000 variables. I'm going to
Okay.
define each of these things, the key terms. I will make sure that I talk about their meaning so that when somebody is saying it, you will understand.
Okay.
Now it can take up to 5,000 variables, and you can also merge. You can work with large data sets in STATA. You can merge, you can append, you so many things. It use simple command that you don't have to like crack your brain to get it. So I appreciate the fact that in STATA you can always ask for help.
Mm.
So if you type help, what do you want to do? For example, let's say you hear people talking about a particular stuff, or maybe in your work they are saying that, oh, ANOVA, they are talking about ANOVA. Or as time goes on, we'll be doing, you say, ANOVA, like ANOVA. I don't know what ANOVA is. So it will bring something for you to read. You see, ANOVA means what? Analysis of variance.
Balance. Okay.
Yes. You see, analysis of variance and covariance. Now, this is
Mm.
syntax. This syntax means command. It's like in English, they will talk about grammar, like
Okay.
English grammar. But instead of saying grammar, in STATA, we call it syntax, like a
Okay.
command, yes. So it's saying that if you want to perform ANOVA, you will do this, you will do, but you are still a beginner. Now let's say you want to do point and click, you will see menu. He's saying that if you want to perform
Okay.
ANOVA, you should go to statistics, you will click on linear model and related.
Linear models
After that,
and
you will now
related.
see
Okay.
ANOVA slash maneuver. You will click on it, then click on analysis of variance. You see that anybody can click this, right, with this help. But we
Yes.
need to really learn, what are we doing? When am I supposed to do this type of things? When am I supposed to click this? And that is what I'll be putting you through. I'm just using that as
All right.
example. So
Okay.
We have what we call menu and toolbar. Menu and toolbar. So this is, you see all this one up here, these are menus and toolbar. You see, this one is
Mm.
as if you want to open a folder, right? You saying open.
A folder,
Do you
yeah.
see? This is a folder. Do you have it in your own too?
Yes.
Okay, you can try to check. Open.
Yeah, it's there.
Is there, right?
It's there.
So
Yeah, it's there.
this is a folder. In this place now, you see something is not active. Save is not active because I don't have anything here to save. That is why it's not active.
Mm-hmm.
This is print result. If I say print result, it will print only this thing that I have here, which is not important, right? Now this other
Mm.
one here is saying log begin. So just for you to know that you have point and click, as far as you know what you want to do, you can use point and click, but no issue for now. I'm just trying to explore the interface. Then you have new view. Advised to find help. They will tell you you are advised to find help if you don't know what you are doing. You see, that is it. So
Okay.
yes, then you see here you are seeing bring graph window to front. Let's say we have a graph, we want to bring it to front, it is going to bring it to the front. But for now we don't have anything there. Now this below it, you see we have this one, we call this one what? New do file. I
Do
want you to
file
be checking
editor,
it.
yeah.
Yes, you see this is new do file, and this place you have what? Data editor edit.
Data editor. Mm-hmm.
Edit. Then what about the second one? Data editor.
Data editor browse.
Good. What about the one that is beside it?
Variables manager.
Good. So and you have when you want to close something, you want to you want to break something.
A break.
Then up here you
Yeah.
have file. Click on file. What do we have inside file? What do you have
Okay.
inside file?
We have view, do file name, change working directory, log, import, export, print, an example data set, recent file, and exit.
Good. So that is point and click for you. That means if you know what you are looking for, you can easily go there and say, oh, this file, this is what this means. You can change your work directory. I will still talk more. Then under edit, what do you have there?
We have copy, select all, clear result window, find, finest, table copy options, and then preferences.
Okay. So that is for you to know that you can also look for something, right? You can find. Just like
Yes.
the
Yeah, you
Microsoft
can find,
Word, if you
yeah.
are looking for something. So you see that STATA is something that you can explore. Okay. So if you click on data, what can you see?
You see, describe data,
Okay.
data editor,
Mm-hmm.
create or change data,
Mm-hmm.
variables manager, frames manager,
Mm-hmm.
data utilities, sort, combine data sets, and matrices, meta language,
Yes.
matrices, Ado
Ado
language,
language.
ICD code,
Uh-huh.
and other utilities.
Okay. See, if you look at in front of this thing now, you can see that there's also drop menu there. You can see that there's drop
Mhm.
down for each. Do you see?
Okay. Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
see?
yeah. I can see
Variable
that. Yeah.
manager did not have, but you see data utility. You
Mm.
can see.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
see sort, combine
yeah.
data. You can see.
Combines data. Yeah.
You see
Mm-hmm.
matrix. Nothing. This. Can you
Mm-hmm.
see? Convert matrix to
Ado
variable.
language. Yes.
Add. Then
Mm-hmm.
utility, you can see as if you want to use
Yes.
calculator, list constant style, manage, you see, create business calendar and all of that. That is what STATA
Okay.
can do. So this for you
Oh
to know
wow.
that, I told you, I said don't worry. The fact that you don't have knowledge of data analysis, just book for the fundamental class first. And as far as you have this package with you, you can always explore. Do you get? You
Okay.
can always
Okay.
explore.
Yeah.
And if I have anything here now, maybe you have come across one particular analysis, you can say, oh, I have this thing, but how do we do it? You know, you can read about it as far
Yes.
as you have something to practice. Yeah. So that is it. If you come to graphics, what do you have?
We have bar charts, dot
Mm-hmm.
charts, pie charts, histogram, box plots,
Mm-hmm.
counter plots, scatter plot matrix, distributional graph, smoothie and densities,
Mm-hmm.
regression, diagnostic plot, time series graphs, panel data
Star
lines,
plot,
plots,
survivor
survivor
analysis graph,
analysis graphs, ro-
rock
what's it?
analysis,
Road
ROC.
analysis,
Yes.
yeah,
Multivariate analysis graph,
multivariate, yeah, analysis graphs, quality
quality
control,
control
more statistical graph,
graph.
and then table of graphs, manage graphs, change scheme or site.
Okay. So can you see? So that is the reason when people say, oh, like, can starter do this? Can starter do that? I normally tell people that it depends on what you want to do. As far as your data that you have as row and column, the row
Mm,
is your observation, the column is the variables. So as far as you have row and column, there's no analysis that you want to do that starter cannot perform, except
mm,
if you just prefer like a particular software, or maybe it will be much faster and a kind of very convenient to use that other software, if that is the one you know how to use. So can you see that is only graph, only graph. Now let's move to statistics. What do you have in statistics?
the statistics is plenty. Oh my God. Summarize, summarize table and test, linear model and related,
Yes.
biannual outcome,
Okay.
ordinary outcome, categorical outcome, count
Okay.
outcome, fractional outcomes,
Uh-huh.
generalized linear models, choice models, time
Time
series,
series, multivariate time series,
multiple time series,
spatial
spatial
auto-regression model,
autoregressive model,
longitudinal and
longitudinal
panel
or
data,
cardinal data,
multi-level mixed
multi-level
effect
mixed
model,
effect model, survivor analysis,
analysis, epidemiology and
epidemiology
related,
and related,
endogenous covariates.
endogenous hey, sample selection model, treatment effects,
Okay.
same structure equation model,
Okay.
L, latent class analysis,
Analysis. Uh-huh.
yeah, finite mixture model,
Mm-hmm.
item response theory,
Yes.
yeah, and then multivariate, yeah,
Analysis.
multivariate analysis, then survey data analysis, lasso, meta analysis,
Analysis. Multiple
multiple
imputation.
imputation,
Non-parametric.
non-parametric analysis, exact
Exact statistics.
statistics, and then
Resampling.
raise resembling power,
Precision
precision,
and sample size.
and sample size,
Bayesian
best
analysis.
Bayesian analysis,
Post
and
estimation.
put test. Oh my God,
Oh my God.
and others.
And others. Then don't forget, in front of each, you can see
Mhm.
things, right?
Yeah,
Even
yes,
in front of this, you can see other things, right? In
yes,
front of this, you can still see things in front, in front, in front. So that is to tell
yes.
you that depending on where you want to start from. So I
All
normally
right,
tell people, I'll be like, see, this thing is really bulky, but I will try as much
it's
as
bulky.
possible
Yeah.
to give you the basic. For example, if I talk about after the introduction to all this, I normally ask one question. In all of this that you have seen, the things that you have mentioned today, is there any analysis that you have heard somewhere before, or that you think, oh, I'm really interested in this particular analysis? Is there
I've
anyone?
never, I've never come across any.
You have never come across
anything.
any of the analysis. Okay,
Any of
so
the analysis? No. Yeah.
fine. Okay.
This is my
So
first time. This is my first time seeing. I mean, hearing all these things.
okay. Okay. So no problem. I don't know if I can ask for your background, like what do you study in school, where you work now, what do you do? Do you do anything related to analysis, or is there something that you are looking at, maybe like in the next your next job you think I should be able to do this type of analysis? Maybe you have gone through some requirements for some jobs, and you see, oh, they say if you can do this type of analysis, this is a
Oh,
personalized training, so it will help me to
okay.
focus on that area.
Okay. I did. I did health and safety management. That is the aspect that I did. I do. I did
Okay.
health and safety management, and also, but where I'm working now is a medical. It's a medical field.
Good.
It's a medical field, but that's why it's not an IT field. That's why, yeah. But I've learned aside the health and safety, I did IT, but the IT the hardware side.
Okay.
Yeah, the hardware aspect. I mean, we open the laptops, we fix the motherboard and other stuff. Yeah,
Okay.
but that's why I'm finding difficult. I mean, with this.
Say no more.
So
I don't know if something has really changed. Like seeing the things like this, like you feel like okay, you are now familiar with all these things, and say, oh, we're about to start something, right? So
yeah.
I would like us to like review, like after each session, to like, okay, I think I know how to do this now, but I want you to put your mind in something that this thing is not difficult. There's nothing there. You can see. And we are clicking
Oh
on
yeah.
it. You can see it's not difficult. We are looking at it and say, oh, survival analysis, step up and utility, regression model. See. You will see regression in different ways. So I'm
Wait.
going,
Yeah.
yes. So we are going to, and don't forget, I mentioned that we can do point and click, and we can also um
Command.
use command. Good, thank you so much. So the first thing that I want us to do is to import. We normally talk about import. What is the meaning of import? When you hear import, like you want to bring in, right?
You want to bring in something. Yeah.
Thank you. So when you hear the word export, what does that mean?
As for you are sending something
Out, right?
out.
Thank you. So I want us to start from the beginning. Like, okay, now I have this file, I want to work with something. How do I import? So you can put it down. How to import into STATA. How to import file into STATA. So for points
Okay.
and click, you are going to come here, file.
Fine. Yeah.
Can you see import?
Sure.
So when you in front of import, what are the things you can see?
I can see Excel spreadsheet,
Mm-hmm.
text data, and also SPSS data,
Mm-hmm.
SAS data,
Mm-hmm.
test data in fixed format,
Mm-hmm.
test data in fixed format with a dictionary,
Okay.
test data, and then SAS
Export
exports
version 8.
version 8 and SAS export version 5, federal revenue economic data,
Good.
uh, Harvard analytic database, and OP,
ODBS
ODBC data,
data.
yeah, source,
Okay.
and then DBase, yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much. See, another benefit of using Starter is this. If you have your document, or if a client or company should save a data file and they send it to
Mhm.
you to work on, So these are the list of data type or file type that you can import into Excel. But do you notice that if you have STATA itself
So,
is not here,
okay.
STATA is not here.
Okay.
Do you notice?
Yes. Yes.
So why is STATA not here? Good. So the thing is, if you have Excel and you already have the Excel set up on your system, what do you do when you want to open that type of file? How do you open that type of file? Have you used
The Excel.
Microsoft Excel before?
Yeah, I've used it before, but maybe like you go to Excel, then I mean you can import from the file.
You will double click and it will open.
It will open. Yes.
Yes. So it's the same way. You know that time you said can you open one, and what you did is you open. You double
You
click and
open.
it's
Yeah.
opened because you have the file you have the software to open it. So it's the
Yes.
same thing, but it become import if you want to bring in another data type. In
Okay.
this place now, you can bring Excel, you can bring text data, you can bring SPSS, SAS, text data, all this you can bring it into STATA to work with. So
Okay.
now let's go
Okay.
to out. We are going to be focusing on Excel because we can't cover all. So we are going to, because most of the time what our clients or what people normally save their data as is always Excel. When they want to send to you Excel, but you can have a case where you have CSV, you can have SPSS, you can have SAS. So let's bring in import. So now can you please direct me? I want to import. Where should I go to?
You go to file,
Okay.
the folder. Then you will see. Yeah, you go to file to open like folder. You go to import.
So I want to
Then
bring the
yeah.
file I want to bring in is Excel, right? I'm going to click
Yes.
Excel. Do you see another dialog open? So
Yes.
it's asking me which file do you want to bring, but because I cannot type it, I don't know how to cram those things, I will just
So you go
browse.
to browse. Mm-hmm.
Thank you. So you will now go to where your file is. Because I've
Yes.
been
Yeah.
working on this, that is why it's open straight to. If it's
Mm-hmm.
in let's say it's in desktop, I'll first go to desktop. If it's in download, I'll go to download, then I'll go and look for it. But because
Yes.
me, I already put where I'm working on there, is inside this cohort 2, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to bring in this is Excel, or let me bring this one to make it
Okay.
simple. So I will not bring big data set. Now when you bring it like this, it will first show here, just in case
Mm-hmm.
in the Microsoft Excel, let's say you have like maybe like 3 different sheets. See, you have to make sure that the sheet is correct, but because I only have one here, are you getting me?
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Okay, so you have to make sure that you pick the right sheet and say, oh, maybe it's sheet 1 2 3 4 5. You know how Excel can be. So this is the
Yes.
one that I'm working with, and the cell range is correct. You see this place is important
Import first. Okay. Import first row as variable
as
names. Okay.
variable names. That is, this is the heading. This one is ID, this is age, this is sex, this is income, this is education. Now,
Okay.
if you did not click on this, STATA will they automatically generate variable name for them, or we call
Okay.
it the normal language that we use, we say heading, but in STATA we call it variable names. But
Okay.
you know, like when you want to give something heading or title of each of these column, STATA will help you label it as ABCD. So it's
Wow.
important for you to click import first row. Do you see it has changed?
It has changed. Yeah.
Okay, so that is me telling STATA that, see, STATA, please, the first row is the variable name. So immediately I click on it, it changed, right? So you will say,
Mm-hmm.
okay. What has happened?
Oh, okay. Uh, if you come to variable, you see you now see age, sex, income, and education there.
Yes. So the first thing we have done now is to import dataset. But because you did not have Microsoft Excel, or do you have Microsoft Excel file?
I don't have any saved Excel.
Okay, so good. That means quickly I will teach you how to export.
Okay.
Export, you see, instead, if you have STATA, you can save the work straight. But if you bring in Excel, or if you bring in, if I open STATA file, but I want to change the way it is, like I want to send to my friend that is using Excel, but I want to send the same file that is in STATA,
Mm.
I want to send it to my friend as Excel. We are going to export. We will
Okay.
export it as Excel. So that is what I'm going to do now. So you will do it along with me. I'm going to
All right.
close this. So make sure you do it with me. Close. So I want you to create a folder in your desktop.
Excel folder
No,
or
no,
like
no.
any folder,
Normal folder.
normal folder. Okay.
New. I'm going to put it as your name so that I will remember. Okay. So, have you done that?
Yeah.
The GHS file that you opened, that one that you downloaded, I want you to go
GH.
there.
Yeah. Let me go back. Okay.
My own too is inside download. Okay, this is my own GHS data.
Yeah. GHS data. Yeah. Okay.
Because I don't want the road to be too long. In fact, I can bring that in to I can bring it to my desktop, but I don't want to. I will
Mm.
just copy what I need from it. So please use post harvest. Post harvest. Open it.
Post harvest. Mm.
Yes. Household. So I want you to
Okay.
copy the first and the second. Watch the name. Sec1 harvest W5.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Sec1 harvest W5.
Okay.
Sec2
Set two
harvest
harvest
W.
W5.
So I want to copy the first one and second. I want to copy the two.
So I should
Con
copy the two.
yes, Control C, copy it the way we
Control C.
normally
Yeah.
copy.
Okay.
Now come to the file you open. This one that I put your name, I'm going to
Okay.
open it and paste inside.
And paste inside. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Good. So I have it inside. I'm going to close to be sure that I have it inside. So I open it again. So open your own. Open the
Yeah.
first one.
Yeah. I've opened. Yeah. It's there.
Sec1 harvest, right?
Yes.
Good. I'm coming, please. So it's open.
Yeah.
So can you try to tell me what you have in your command window?
Okay. Uh, I'm coming. the command window, I see the statistics and data science.
Okay.
And then I see starter license, serial number, license to Alfred. And then when it comes to the node side, you see Unicode is supported and
Uh-huh.
the maximum number of variables is set to 5,000.
Okay. So which window
Yeah.
are you reading from?
I'm
What is the
reading
name of
from that's the command, right? Is it not command window?
that is output window.
Oh, okay. Sorry for that. Oh, okay.
Command is where you type.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh yeah, what are the types of windows that you have in STATA?
We
What are
have
the
we have we have variable windows.
yes?
We have properties windows.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then command windows and history.
Okay, command window, then history. What about
Yeah.
results?
The result.
Okay, this
Yeah,
is
we are.
yeah, this is your result window. Anything you do will show here. All the
It
output
show
will be
on the
here.
okay. Now I see. Okay, so where I read is a result window, right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
So in your history window, what do you have there? History
The
window.
history window. I see the command. I see the command. That's the used. The number one used.
Thank you. So you can click on it. I click on it and it shows in my command window. So click on it. I
Okay.
want it to show on your in your command window so that we use it to explain something.
Yeah, I click on it and then I've seen number two.
Let me see. Do you have what I have like this? You
Oh,
have
let me.
use. Let me
Yes.
stop sharing because I need to see what you have. Oh yeah, share your own screen. Thank
Okay.
you.
Let me go.
Thank you. I love this.
Have you seen it? Yeah, that's the use. Is it not this one?
Yes. Click on it.
I click. I click on it.
Ha. You are doing something. It's running. It's bringing it again and again.
Yeah, it's bringing
Maximize
it again.
maximize your window. You are clicking it twice, I guess. Maximize the window. Just put your cursor on it first and click it once.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Now expand your command window. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. So you can make it bigger, like do your screen like this. Zoom your screen. Okay.
Mm.
Is it zoom?
Okay, I should zoom.
But as far as
Which one?
you can see it is okay. It's okay. You can see now. Maximize it. Maximize.
All right.
Thank you. So from what I can see here, you see use. And this
Mhm.
one is your working directory. This is where you
Okay.
save your work. It's saying that under the local disk C, you have your system name is user. That's user, the
Yes.
file. Then inside it, I think this is the name you gave your computer. I don't want to call
Yes.
it out. Then this one is saved on one drive, right? Before
Yes.
desktop. Then this is the folder that contain this last file.
Yeah.
So that is your working directory. Because I don't want
Okay.
the work to be scattered abroad. That is the reason I say go to desktop, then create a
Mm.
folder where we'll be keeping the work. So if we go to that place, that download, and we now click on it, you will see that the command will be too long. He's saying that, oh yeah, use means you are telling STATA that, see, inside this, let me bring this particular data set. It will first go to local disk, then it will now go to, I'm using your screen.
Okay.
It will first go to the local disk, look for user, open this one, open OneDrive, then go to desktop, open this folder, then before it will get to where the data is itself. So I just want the work to be in one place. That's why I say put it in that folder. So this is beautiful. Now you see that use, he's saying that go and bring that data set. This is the data set that I want you to use to perform the
Okay.
operation that I want to do. So as you are clicking it twice, you are still telling it, go and bring it, go and bring it, go and bring
Okay.
it.
That's why it's
Yes,
showing 1, 2, 3. Okay.
yes. Okay, so no
All
issue.
right.
I just want to explain how this, because I want you to try import. That's why I say bring this thing in.
Okay.
Now, if it's STATA, that STATA file is always end with .dta. I will still show you. It's always end with .dta. If it's
Mm-hmm.
Excel, Excel is always end with dot, I think XLS. Then there's another one that is, do you understand? If it's
Yeah.
Microsoft Word, you will know that it's Microsoft Word because it will end with .doc. Abi?
Mm-hmm.
So no issue. This is Excel file. You don't need to import Excel file. As far as you have the software, just click on it and it will open. And that's
Okay.
what has happened, right?
Okay.
Now, I want to teach you how to export. Now, go to file. We are using your screen. So you are the one teaching me now.
Okay. I'll go to file and then I go to export.
Perfect. Now, we want to export this as Excel, right?
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
click. What will you click now?
Export. I see data to Excel spreadsheet.
Good. So, click data to Excel spreadsheet.
Okay.
Now, it's saying that redo variables
Variables.
is telling
Yeah.
you leave empty
Empty
for
for
all
all variables.
variables. Do you see? But let's
Yes.
say you want to select some. Can you click the arrow beside it? Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
It will list all the, scroll down, just scroll. So you will see, do you see? Do you see? Do you
Okay.
see?
Okay.
These are everything. But I want us to work with all for now.
Mm.
Now, leave it empty as it stated that if you know it's everything you want to take outside, leave it empty. Now, it's
Okay.
asking you Excel file name. Which name do you want to call it?
Okay. So I can use any name, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, because I don't want you to stress yourself, I don't want you to just save. I don't want you to just save it and will not be looking for it. I want to be sure where this thing is going to. So, use save as.
Mm. Save as. Okay. The file name will be.
Do you see that it went straight to your file, that folder?
Yeah, that folder. Yeah.
That's because you've created a path for STATA to
Okay.
work with. So
Okay.
now, give it name, the name you want to call it. You
Okay.
can call it Sec1 Excel. Sec1 Excel.
Mm. Okay. Then save. I will save it, right?
Save. So now
All
it
right.
has bring you back to that box. Now,
Mm-hmm.
the first one is saying that save variable names to first row in Excel file. Please click on that too, so that the first line is going to be your variable name instead of leaving it
Yes.
as ABCD. Now
Okay.
click. Always read though. There's nothing that is big there. So when you
Mm.
want to perform something, just be calm. As a data analyst, You have to be patient, be calm, read before you say yes or no.
Okay.
So
Okay.
other one is saying that output numeric value.
Output numeric values, not
Uh-huh.
labels of labeled variable.
Okay.
And
Then
then
preserve the
preserve the cell style and format of an existing worksheet
mm-hmm.
and overwrite Excel file.
Don't override the Excel file. The major thing is you want to save the variable name in
Variable
the
names.
first row.
Okay.
Now click OK because you are satisfied.
Okay. All
Do
right.
you see something now? Export Excel, right? It's
Yeah.
export. It's exported. The method we are
Yeah.
using now is point and click, right? We are not writing the
Yes.
command. But do you
Yes.
notice that after every point and click, the command is saving in the history?
Okay. So
So,
now, so now, okay, let me come in here. I'm now getting something. But we do the export. So when we do the export, there's nothing under the command. We export it, right?
yes, yes.
Yes. So when we export it, I will see the result because now I'm seeing the results.
Mm-hmm. It's
Yeah, I'm
telling you
seeing the
that it
result.
is done, right?
It is done. Yeah, it's saved. Yeah.
Okay. So what's your question?
No, no, it's not a question, but I'm trying to let you know that
Yes.
what I'm seeing after we did the
Yes.
export.
Yes. I'm seeing your screen. You know I'm using your screen.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So good. You see that point and click. Instead of you
Mm-hmm.
to write the command, as you are pointing, STATA is writing the command.
Okay.
So that is why you have it in this in this history. So
Mm.
now I want you to do something.
Okay.
Copy from this number 3 and 4. Let's forget it because it's repetition. 1, 2, and 3 is repetition. Just
Yeah.
copy 3 and 4 in the history window. Copy it. Copy 2 and 3 and 4. Select it. Just click on it as if you want to copy. The normal way we copy Microsoft Word, like you want to select the two. Click on
Yeah.
the no,
Copy.
I want you to copy it at once. I want you to do like a pro.
Okay.
Professional. Click do you see? But it's
Oh.
3 and 4 that you want to copy.
Two. He said 2 and 3, and 3 and 4.
3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Oh. Oh. Okay. So.
Perfect. Copy.
Oh. Why?
Don't worry, just do it copy.
Why? Why?
Don't worry, just calm down.
Okay. Copy. Okay.
You know, you can also, the way you use your shift key and just highlight and you do Control C if it's giving you
Control C
stress.
to copy, and then I
Yes.
think Shift and V is a paste or something like that. Control. Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay.
You've copied. Control C
Yeah.
is copy. Control V is paste. Now I
It's
want to
paste. Yeah.
take you to another level.
Mm-hmm.
There's something we call do file. You remember that time
Okay.
when we were doing point and click, I was telling you, yeah, explore, what can you see? What can you
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
see?
mm-hmm.
Okay. So now help me look for do file. In this menu now, we have file, edit, data. Don't go to that up because I know it's not there. Under folder, save, and print, where you have graph, just
Yeah.
look for do file in that place for me. Look for do file.
Yeah. New do file editor.
Thank you so much. Open.
Okay.
Now paste that thing there. Control V.
Okay.
Perfect, right? Now
Yes.
in that window too, this do file window, there's try to explore and look for save. You can also do Control S to save, but look for it. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes. The save is
Click
on.
on it.
Mhm.
Click.
Okay.
Watch oh, can you see that even this one I want to save, it took you direct to your folder.
My folder, yeah.
Now write maybe like sec1 do file so that you will not forget. Sec1
Okay.
do file. You know we have sec1 Excel. This one
Mm-hmm.
sec1 do file.
Too far, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Then save.
Save.
All right.
Close all this window. So 3 things you will go away with here.
So
Close
should I?
all of them. Close. It's
Okay.
saved already. Close
Mm,
this one too because we have the original. Close it.
okay.
Close this place too. Close
Okay.
everything. What do you have in your starter? Look down. There's something there. I'm seeing something in there. What do you have? Close it.
Okay. Then there's nothing. Okay. All right.
Okay. So let me quickly explain what do file is. I'm not
Mm.
even using lecture notes again. Okay. But let me use it so that I will not mix anything up. So for do file, you see do file is like where we keep our command.
Okay.
Do file is like a sheet or a document where you keep your command. So we call do file as like a script where we
A
keep,
script. Okay.
yes, scripts where we keep commands.
Mm.
Now why are we doing that? One benefit of STATA and why researcher prefer STATA is because of reproducibility. You can reproduce your work without going through any stress. For
Mm.
example, we are going to test what you just did now. You perform 2 operations. The first one, you put command and say use this file, open this file for me, right?
Okay.
Then after that, you ask STATA that export it as Excel, right?
Mm.
And you
Okay.
mention that when you are exporting, please let the first row, let it be the variable's name, right?
Yeah.
That is the 2 commands you have in your do file now. So I want us to test this do file. Let's say I have thousands of things that I've worked on like that, just like we copy these two, the 2 command. But let's assume that we have it like to be 1000 and you've kept it in the do file. Now you want to work on it. Open your do file. Open that do file.
Okay.
Thank you. See, when you open do file, it will always come with 2 windows. The first window is going to be where all those windows are, where you have history, command window, output, the variable windows, the property. Then there will be another one that is carrying the command itself. So as you can see, enlarge this first one.
Which one?
Maximize the one I'm seeing right in front of. Good.
This one.
You
Okay.
know this is your command, right? Try
Yes.
to minimize this one. You will see the second one now. Minimize. Minimize. Can you see?
Okay.
I told you when you open your do file, it will come with 2 windows.
2 windows. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
this one and where the command is itself. So in
Okay.
this window now, it's also keeping history that you've opened a do file. Oh, that is what it means. Do edit.
Mm.
So for people
Yeah,
that
do
write
edit.
command,
Mhm.
this is the command they are going to cram and pour down. But you don't need to cram it. Just be using point and click.
Okay.
Now, how to use this do file? Go to where that command is now.
Which which one?
The second window, the one that
The
carry your
the
this
second
thing.
window. Oh, okay.
Yes. Perfect. Now, I want you to perform the operation one after the other. Highlight use only.
So I should copy only the use.
No, just highlight it.
Okay.
You did not carry use with it. The command must be there.
Oh.
Good. You put the 3.
One.
Okay. Perfect. Now move your cursor up. This your cursor, move it up. The last thing that is having that drop down bar there. The last. Hold on. Then what is the name? Put the name there so that you know. You know the name. You want to find out the name. Put it on it.
And which one? This one, the 2-bar option.
No. Before that last one. No. Not the.
This one.
Yes. What is there? Execute what?
Execute selection.
Now click on it. It's okay. Go back to the window.
The window, the first window.
Yes.
Okay.
What has happened?
I think the variables. Yeah, I've seen the variables.
The command that you've written and you kept in the do file. You don't want to go through the
result. The command I've seen the end of do file.
Because that is the only operation that you asked for. If you selected maybe like, let's say you select like 20, it's going to perform that 20 as far as the command is correct. It will perform it and it will tell you end of do file. So you are going to see the result of all the 20 commands that you have mentioned.
Okay.
You good, right?
Yeah.
So now the command you ask for is that you say use, that is, go and bring this file for me. Now the file is here. Do you get it?
The do file. Should I go back to the do file?
No. I want you to see that the variable windows, you now have work there. You have variables there.
Yes.
So I'm telling you the benefit of do file.
Okay.
Now let's go and look at the second one.
All right. So should I select the second one?
Before you select, you remember that this one, we asked STATA to export this file for us as Excel.
Yes.
And we give it a name, right?
Yes.
What was the name? Sec1. You see, look at the parts. Export, OneDrive, desktop, Mr. D's, Sec1 Excel.
Yeah, Sec1 Excel.
So you remember that
Excel.
you put it as Sec1 Excel.
Mm-hmm,
now you want to perform this operation again. But because you already have Sec1 Excel, STATA will bounce it back to tell you that the name already exists. Do you want to replace it? But I don't want us to do that. Now I want you to alter that Sec1 Excel. I want you to put 2 in front of Excel. So this new one is going to be Sec1 Excel 2. So go and write 2 in front of Excel.
So I'll go to where I save it, right?
No. In this command window, this do file, do file. The do file itself.
This one?
Yes. Go to sec, click on it. We want to write something there.
I'm confused here.
Don't
So
be. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Click at the back of that first row variable. First row variable. Put your cursor there as if you want to type now. Do you get it? I understand it's your
okay,
first time. Uh-uh. Now use your arrow key to move that thing forward.
okay.
Use
So
it.
should I put the sec instead of sec one? Should I do a sec two?
I don't want you to put it's sec 1 but Excel 2.
Excel two. So I should put two in front of Excel.
You get it. Thank you. Do
Oh,
that.
okay. So like something like this.
Thank you. It's
Oh,
good.
okay.
Now select this export and perform the operation.
Okay.
Perform the operation. Execute. Oh yeah. Thank you. Just one that you click. Go and check the output. Do you see? It is done, right?
Yes.
So thank you so much. Close this. Close all of them. You know how to use do
Mm,
file now. That
yeah.
is how to use do file.
It's asking me, do you want to save the changes you made?
Don't change. Yes, 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 yes.
Save.
Eh,
Mm,
that means this thing now is 2. The next time you want to work on it, you may save, you may not save it. Now I want you to check
okay.
something. You see your Excel before now, do you have this Excel 1 and Excel 2?
Yeah, I have Excel one and then Excel two, section one, Excel one, Excel two. Yeah.
Okay, but before we started the this thing, the creation of do file, what do you have in
Mm-hmm.
this file before? You copy section 1 and section 2, sec 1 and 2, right?
Yes.
You are the one that created your do file. You save it inside, right?
Yes.
You are the one that exported sec 1 Excel
Excel. Yes.
the first time. The second
Mm-hmm.
time you use do file command
Yes.
to do sec 2 Excel, right?
Yes.
Now open that Excel. Let's see what is inside. You can expand it. Maximize the window, yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, you can scroll through to see. You have states, you have zone, local governments, urban, sector, then you have S1, Q something something. Check. Run through the same way you used to work with your Excel. Look through. Can you see? You can go to the right, go to the left, and look at what you have there. Can you
I'm
see?
seeing uh,
You are seeing what?
what I'm seeing. I click on the Excel, the Excel job, and then I'm seeing South, South. I mean, uh, s- okay, okay. I'm seeing the
Southeast.
variables.
Under zone, you are seeing different zones, right? You are
Yeah, I see different
southeast,
zones. I see
northeast,
different zones.
north. You are seeing them, right?
Yeah, southeast, 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 and then when it comes to states, Abia,
Abia,
something like.
Abia. Are you from Nigeria?
I'm from Ghana.
Okay, you are from Ghana. That's why. You see
Yeah.
all these states that you are seeing. These are
Mm-hmm.
Nigeria. You know we have 36 states and we have FCT. Now we
Oh,
have
okay.
6 local government and 6 zones in Nigeria. We have North Central, Southeast, South. All this one that you are seeing under zone.
Mm.
That's
Okay.
Nigerian geopolitical zones that you are seeing there. So I want you to scroll down because you are only seeing south, southeast, southeast. Scroll down. Did you see? Can you see north? Can you see south, south? Do you see?
Okay.
This
North,
data is
south.
big.
Okay. Wow.
Do you see? Now you can
Yes.
also move to your right. Move this thing
Mhm.
to your right. Use this one down here. Take it to the
Oh,
to the right.
okay.
Go, 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 go. Can you see them?
Oh, what has come? Oh,
Close that one. You open something.
I don't know where that this thing is worrying me. Oh, just a minute. I don't know. Return to work. Yeah.
Okay, they are doing adverts.
Mhm.
Can you see? That's the end.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you can
Okay.
scroll up back.
Mm.
I'm in training. Somebody is asking me on TikTok, what is happening here? But I put it. Thank you, Bolat, right? Thank you. God bless you. I'm having a training. That's why. Thank you. Okay. So what I want you to see is that from STATA, you can export into different file type, different documents, or let me put it that way. Do you get? So this is the
Yeah.
same file. What you have in that one, you have it now in Microsoft Excel. Nothing is
Okay.
missing. Nothing. The same way it is in that place is the same way it is here. So, Mr. Alfred,
Yeah.
I've taught you how to export. Just in case you are working and your boss say, can you please give me that file in so 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 format? What you will do is you will export it
Mm.
like you want to save it. You know, now if you are working with Microsoft, if you are working with Word documents, somebody can tell you that please save this work in PDF. You know, right?
Yes.
So the same way you can convert your work into different file type. See me, I did not plug my laptop, so let me quickly plug it. Okay, so we continue now. But now you know how to. Are you tired?
I'm just,
Don't worry. Don't worry. So you know how to export because you did not
yeah.
have Excel before now. We have talked about how to import, but because you did not have Excel file to practice, that is why I decided to switch to export, so that when you export,
Okay.
you will have it in Microsoft Excel and you'll be able to import it to practice. So now it is
Okay.
time for you to practice import. So I want you to import.
Okay.
Be saying it, oh, be saying it. I want to hear. How
Oh,
do you
okay.
import?
Yeah, I'll go to file.
Good. Oh yeah,
I'll
go
go to
there.
and then I'll go to import. Then
Good.
I'll go to Excel spreadsheet.
Perfect.
I'll click on the Excel spreadsheet. Then I'll go to the browse.
Okay.
Then uh I'll find the section one Excel,
The document that you want to
the
bring
document
in.
that I saved. Yeah.
Good.
So I'll click on the sec one Excel.
Okay.
Then I open it.
Perfect.
Yes. So then I will because of like the sheet one, I'll check the sheet one because it's already there. So uh I'll go to I'll click on import file row as a variable names.
That's my participant. Good.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
I'll click OK.
Perfect.
Yes.
See, if you look down, you may see that something is rolling. Sometimes if the file is big, it will load, it will take time. So you need to be
Mm.
patient and wait for it to come. So you have it now, right?
Yes.
So thank you so much. That is how to import, and you already know how to export too. Now, there's something that I normally tell people, like if somebody should give you a file, you don't know what is inside,
Mm-hmm.
you don't even, but you can see the variables, like you can see things there. Like I taught on TikTok in one of my free training that I normally do. Like I taught how to explore data. Explore means like you want to cross check, you want to know what is happening here. Somebody sent you a file, or somebody sent a package to you, you don't know what is inside, right? But you want
Yeah.
to like look at it, like say, let me know what is inside this thing. That is exploration. You want to explore. Now how do we do
Okay.
that? Remember I mentioned that you can do point and click, or
Yeah.
write the command. So
You
we
write the
have
command.
let's talk about three ways you can explore your data set. The first thing is to describe it. You say, inside this file, it look as if there's toothpaste, the angle is like this, something is having like a kind of brush. You want
Mm-hmm.
to describe how that data is. You can describe. You can also summarize. And the third one, you can tabulate. Then let me add this one, that you can browse, just like you are
Okay.
browsing through your phone. Like, let me even explore what is happening on TikTok today. You are browsing.
Mm. Mm.
So now I want you to write describe.
Describe. Okay. All right. Mm-hmm.
Write it in the command.
Okay. All right. I should write it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then enter.
No, no,
Right.
no, 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 hold on. There are some rules. Okay, maybe I
Okay.
supposed to talk about rules. Your command must always be in small letter.
Small letter.
Command,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yes. Describe in small letter.
Mm.
Enter. Can you see something? So
I'm seeing some percentages.
don't worry, go up. Go up.
Okay.
And where the beginning of this thing, the beginning.
Okay. Let me
It's okay,
see.
it's okay, it's okay. So after
Mm-hmm.
you write your command, you put describe, right?
Yeah.
You have name, zone, LGA, sector, EA,
Sector. Yeah.
HHID,
Okay.
GC. Perfect, right?
Yeah.
Then you have S1, Q4, S1, Q2, S1, Q3, S1, Q6.
Yes.
You don't even know what all this S1, Q whatever
About yeah.
is, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Because the label is not giving us the real meaning of
Okay.
that thing. That is why that time when we want to export, there's a place where it's asking us that, do you want to, like, you want to retain the label, the labeling and everything. Do you remember that time when we
Mm,
wanted to
yeah.
export?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there's
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
issue. You see, Excel did not have capacity to save label.
Okay.
Excel did not have that capacity to save label, but in STATA you can describe all your variables one after the other. And that now
Mm.
reminds me that I did not talk about the meaning of variable, observation. Do you know the difference between variable and observation?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about it. Now, I'm talking about data exploration. I say you can describe, now you've described,
Mm-hmm.
but it's giving you information. You can look at it and say, oh, it's telling you that you have 28,256 observations.
Mm-hmm.
What about variables?
117.
117 variables. So if you scroll down, it will now give you information about each of these. You see all this one that is by the left, is they are variables. We call them variables.
Okay.
And if you count it one after the other from zone to the last one, it will be equal to 117.
Okay.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, so there is no issue. The second way you can explore your data is to summarize. So write summarize.
Mm.
Don't forget, is in small letter. Hold on. When you write this summarize, put space at the back. I want to see something. Summarize. And no, like you are done now. When you finish writing, yes, put space. Did the color change?
No,
What color is this?
it's black.
If it's black, it means that something is wrong.
The spell, is it the
The
spelling or what?
spelling, yes. Summarize, no. Write it again. It's
Is it
double
not
M
S
now.
U? Is it double M, right? S
Yeah.
U
Mm-hmm.
S U double M
Mm-hmm.
G R
What?
G R.
Is A. A-R.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Ehen.
okay.
What do you
Okay.
notice? What color is this?
It's like it's looking like a blue, like
Is
mauve color
blue.
or something like
Is
blue or
blue.
mauve. Yeah. Yeah.
So this one, for the sake of people that attend training, you know, I'm telling you now that if you write your command in STATA 17 upward and
Mm.
is showing black, that means there's error there. If you click it, it will not affect your work. It will only tell you variable command not recognized, because STATA did not
Okay.
understand what you mean by that spelling. So the correct thing is summarize. Now enter. Do you see
Okay.
summary? Go up
Yes.
from the beginning. This is like giving you summary of this whole thing. It's telling you that you have, this is describable. Start from where summary is. You can scroll to where the thing is.
That go down or
Yes,
okay.
this is where you see after this summarize, you see when you do summarize, you are going to get how many observations do you have. What is the mean? Mean is talking about average. It will also tell
Mm.
you standard deviation. It will tell you minimum. It will also talk about maximum, the maximum
Mm.
number.
Okay.
I'm going there. This is like introduction. I'm still warming you
Okay.
up. You know, this is the first time. No issue.
Okay.
Another thing you can do is you can list. Then I also mentioned that you can browse.
Yeah. Place
Yes.
and browse.
So now I want you to write browse. Enter.
Wow.
Wow, wow. So
Mm.
this browse is giving you the detailed information
Mm.
of this work. So you can scroll down. Don't forget you have 28,000, I think
Mm.
256 observations. So
Yes.
scroll down. You can also move to the left. to the right. Do you get it? Do you
Yeah.
see?
Okay.
Yeah, because you have come to the end of the distance.
Okay.
So perfect. Somebody is saying that I love this one on one. Love you. I love you too, Mama. People
Let that.
normally enjoy, like it's only you. You will be there, nobody is intimidating you, nobody is thinking that you will be thinking like if I ask question now, they will think I'm drawing them back. Do you get? But it's my class. I can do as I like. Apart from choosing the time that is convenient for you, you will not have any reason to miss that class. You'll be able to maximize your money because nobody is waiting for you. You are not waiting for anybody. So Mama, I love you. So this is how to browse, right?
Yes.
So no issue. Don't forget this one we are working with is Excel. So when you are working with Excel, it may not come in the shape that you want it to come because you can see red. This one is telling me, is saying that this data is strange. We call it strange because it has both number and text.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to convert this now in such a way that Starter will be able to read it as, if you want it, Starter can read whether it is number and it will still read it as text, as categorical variables. Do you get it? I will explain all those
Yes.
terms. This is a personalized class. Each of these terms I will explain them. So let's close this work, close this page now. This particular, nothing will happen to it. If you want to see it again, you will still browse.
Okay.
So this is how to do it. Now let me leave this one. Now let me explain the meaning of variables and observation.
Okay.
I will start with observation. From the word observe. Observe means to look at, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you work in the medical field, I would cite example of, let's say you have, okay, let's say you have maybe like 100 people in your organization,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to look at their, like, the way they are feeling, their opinion about the salary they are earning. You design a questionnaire asking them some question. First thing, you say, what is your age? Where do you
Yeah.
stay?
Where do you stay?
Ehen.
Yeah.
What is your name?
You,
Where do you
mm-hmm.
stay? What is the color of your hair? How much do you
Mm-hmm.
earn per month? Then you move to something like, are you satisfied with the money that you are earning per month? Maybe you put it as, you can do it as yes, no. That is option,
Okay.
right? There's
Yeah.
another way you will ask that question and you say, how satisfied are you with the money you are earning? And you put it like, some people will say kind of satisfied or a bit satisfied. Another person will say like well satisfied. Some people will say not satisfied at all.
Not
You
sat-
can
yes.
you can put response like maybe like 5. Satisfied. Some people will say agree. Some will say strongly agree, strongly disagree. And what's this other one if you do not want to use strongly? Maybe like a bit agree, like I agree, partially agree. Then
Mm-hmm.
another
Mm-hmm.
person can say partially disagree. Do you
Disagree.
understand what I'm
Yeah.
saying? I want to
Yeah.
explain observation. You see that 100 people that you are sampling their opinion.
Okay.
They are the one you are observing. They are the one you are looking at. So
Okay.
they are your observations. How many are they? 100.
100. Yeah.
We mentioned that they are 100. I told you, I say don't worry, we are not going to be speaking statistics. So the meaning of observation is what I've put down in a simple plain English. The people you are looking at, the people you collect information from, they are your observation. So under these
Okay.
properties, it's telling us the number of these people. That how many are they? So we have 28,256.
Hmm.
Do you get it? Now,
Yes.
you see this observation, they are the one that you have in the row. You know row, right?
Mm-hmm.
For example, if we have zone, like, okay, browse it, browse, let me show you. Just type browse. You can look at your history like this. Click that browse and enter it again. Yeah, enter. It will bring it for you. Perfect, right?
Yes.
You see this one, you can see number one beside it. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 to the last. What is the last number there?
Let me check. Okay. The last is 28,256.
So that means you have 28,256 observations.
Yeah.
That is
Observation.
the individual that they interview and collect information from in this data set. You can see that
Okay.
the row, we have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5 till the last row, which is 28,256. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So
The row.
observations,
Let me see.
yes. So
Okay. Okay.
observations,
Okay.
observation talks about the individual respondents. Now
Hmm.
let's move to variables. We have variables, right? You
Yeah.
see each of these questions that I ask them, when I say what is your age, all of them, they will tell me their age, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I ask you where do you stay, we can put the headings to be like location, where they are staying, or we say
Yeah.
state,
Location. Yeah.
or we say their location. Then the other one we put age, then we say income or salary. You see all these
Mm-hmm.
ones, they are called variables. So we have
Oh, okay.
variable age, we have variable location, variable income or salary. Then we now have variables that measure if they are satisfied or not. Are we good?
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
variables are what you have in each of the column. Do you get?
Okay.
So you
Yes.
have variable zone, state, local government, sector, EA, HHID, ED.
EHHID. Mm.
So I'm going to stop here tonight so that it will not be too much for you. But before we go, I want you to close this now. Close this.
Should I close the starter?
There's no limit to. Okay, minimum. I'm coming. Close the starter. Close it. Close.
That is asking me data in memory have changed. Do you want to save the changes before a system? Save.
No, don't save.
Okay.
Now, okay, let me wait. Let me use that opportunity to tell you how to save. So cancel. Let's say
All
you
right.
want to save this thing. You will go to file. Go to file.
Then save as.
Perfect. Why don't you choose save?
Now, if I choose save because uh it like I have to choose save as and then give it a name, a
Okay?
different name.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah,
You see,
that's why I
if you
Mhm.
open a file and let's say if it's new file, if you click
Mhm.
save or save as, is the same thing. You are saving it for the first time. But if you
Mhm.
already have that document, for example, we
Mhm.
have this sec 1 harvest, right? If you open it
Yes.
and you alter it, maybe like you mistakenly press something or you deleted some things, and you now save straight, it's going to replace that one. Do you get
Okay.
it?
Okay.
It will replace
Yes.
it totally. In fact, you will see when the command come up, if it's something that you saved before, it will put comma replace. It will tell you
Oh,
that
okay.
you replace this document, so the old one will not be there again.
All
So
right.
the best option that I normally tell people is make sure you. So somebody is asking me question, my mama. I will answer you. I'm almost done. I'm rounding up, mama. So the sec, the one you want to save now, because you've not saved it before, so you can save it and give it name, but we don't need it because we have this file already.
Already. Yes.
So,
Okay.
but this is how to save. Let's use it as
Okay.
example. Put a name. You will delete it later. Save it. You can put deleted, then when we finish this class, go and delete it. I don't want the file to be too bulky that it will not be
Okay. Okay.
confusing us. Yes, put deleted.
Okay. Let me put deleted. Okay.
We'll go back
Deleted.
and delete later. Save. So you see
Right.
it has saved, right?
Mm-hmm.
No
Yeah.
wahala. Now you know this document is saved already. Now go back and
Yes.
do as if you want to, oh, and do you want to save as, or you want to save because we did not alter it. Now do Control S. Let me see, you can use Control S too.
Control X. So okay.
What
It
is it
says
asking you?
replace.
Do you
Replace
want to
existing
replace?
file.
Now click
Yeah.
yes. Click yes.
All
At the
right.
back of your command, look at the save, that first command where you have save this one, and the last one is deleted .da.
DA replace. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you see the second one? It puts
Yeah.
comma and say replace.
Yes.
Do you get it?
Yes. Yes.
That is to tell you that you've replaced the work. Oh, so that
Oh,
previous
okay.
one you will not see it again. Is this one, unless say maybe
You
like you
see.
have dropped like 10 variables here.
Mm,
So
okay,
the
I
old
see.
one is gone and you have the new one.
Because we've replaced the old one with this new one. Yeah.
That is it. I love
Mm.
your response. You are very active, and I love the way you are learning. You can see that you are the one that is
Thank you.
showing screen. You see that it's
Mm,
not
okay.
hard. You are the one
Yes.
clicking it and we are doing it together. This is perfect. I love the way we start this thing. So, and I know that in how many days time, trust me. So I'm going to meet you tomorrow 8, right?
Yes, tomorrow 8. Tomorrow 18 Nigeria, and then it'll be 5 here.
Yes,
5 in
5 in
America.
US time and 8 in Nigeria. So
Yeah.
how do you feel now?
Oh, I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good. I mean, it's quite impressive. It's very nice one. Very interesting.
Okay. So thank you so much. If at all, if
You're
I want
welcome.
to crop anything from this recording, it's going to be that part that I say, how do you feel? And I'm going to cover your name. I don't publicize my participants. I've never done it. Do you see my page? You can't see anybody's information there. So
I can't even see your face.
people can see me on TikTok.
But I mean, I can't see you.
Oh yeah,
It's
sir.
only
You
it's
were
blank.
seeing me
It
before
has
now
been
because I
blank.
don't want. So can you see me?
Yeah, yeah. I can see you now.
The network is kind of blur, but you
Oh,
can see
okay.
me, right?
Yeah, I can see you. Yeah,
So this is what
it's
you
clear now.
normally see on TikTok. This is my workspace. Can you see?
Oh, oh,
This is
okay.
my workspace. Can you see?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Eh.
Okay. That's good. That's good. Oh, so I mean, you create your own office, your small office beside. Yeah, it's good. It's
Yes.
good.
Yes.
It's
So
good.
please, I want you to practice. You know you have the data set with you. I
Yeah.
want you to
Yeah.
practice, explore the data, use describe, browse, summarize the three.
Okay.
For now. But
Okay.
I want you to don't use Excel, don't import. You know how to import, you know how to export now. I want you to use STATA file itself. So you tell me the difference between the way when you describe the things that you can see, if you can really speak to that data. Do you get it? So you can do
Okay.
it now. Try to open your this thing. Let me see.
The starter.
Then go and open that file. That's sec 1. Go and open sec 1.
Okay. Okay.
Open it straight.
The do
Start.
file.
No, no,
The,
no, no, no. The start. See, look
that's the
at type. You will see starter data sets. We have sec 1 and sec 2. Open sec 1.
yes, sec one and then yeah, I'm
That's
sec one.
Excel. Oh, that's Excel.
Yeah.
I say open starter file, not Excel.
Oh, where is the start? Oh, I've opened Excel. Shit.
And close this one. Don't worry. Nothing there. Sec 1.
This one.
Yes. Do you see? Now,
Mm-hmm.
explore your data. Describe first. First, describe.
Okay. Okay.
Enter.
Okay.
Now, start
And
from the
then
beginning.
let me check.
No. Can you see the difference?
Okay.
What is S1Q2? What is in front? What is the variable label of X1, S1Q2?
X1 Q2. Where can I find X?
Scroll down. You can reduce your command window. Reduce the size of the command window. Okay.
Just a minute. X1 Q2, right? It says what is the sex of? That's the name.
The name. So, for example, we have different people. So they call them the name. Maybe
Yeah.
like we have observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Because this is also data, I'm not going to go deep like that.
Okay.
It's not
Okay.
asking for the sex. You can know that the meaning of S1Q2 is talking about sex. It's talking about
Sex.
the
Okay.
gender. Is this person a male or female?
Okay.
So we are going to be doing how to rename variable. I will teach you that. How to label. If you notice
Okay.
that the same Excel, that one that we exported and now imported back into STATA, it lost this variable label.
All right. All right. I get it.
You get it, right? So you can explore, you will know. I call it variable identification. If I want to identify what I need, maybe like I want to work with their gender, I want to look at their age, look at S1Q6.
X1Q6. Let me go down.
It's there, it's very close by.
Now what I
See,
see is S1Q8, S1Q9.
other variable name. Be checking the
Yeah.
variable name, not labeling.
Oh, okay. Okay. S1Q6. S1Q6 is there. How old is?
Do you notice that that is talking about age?
Yeah, age. It's talking about age.
So there's this thing I would say, I teach people how to identify what they need.
Okay.
So, no problem. Have you heard of modeling before?
Modem.
Model to model your maybe like in research, they will say like create your model. if they want to look at what are the things that affect expenditure,
Expenditure. Yeah, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
they will now say that you should build a model. That is, you want to look at all the factors that can contribute to expenditure.
Expenditure. Okay.
Yes, they will say, oh, income, age can also affect it. Some people will say men spend money than women, right?
Women.
So
Mm-hmm.
that means we
Mm-hmm.
are going to have gender, or we call it sex. We are going to have income. We will also look at other factors. How many children did they have? What is the size of household? Do you get it?
Yes.
So
Yes.
all those things, we call it that you want to build a model.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mr.
All right.
Alfred, I
All
hope
right.
you enjoy your session today.
Yes. 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 Thank you
Uh,
so much.
you're welcome, sir. You're
Thank
welcome,
you
sir.
so much.
So
I
I
think
will
my
see
time
you.
my time is up.
Yes, your time is up. Let me just release you. Thank you so much. God bless
You're
you.
welcome.
I will see you
God bless you too.
tomorrow. US
All right.
time is going to be 3, right?
Yes.
Then here is going to be 8 in Nigeria.
All right.
All
Thank
right.
you. Thank
You're
you. I
welcome.
appreciate it.
So I'll
All
see you
right.
tomorrow. Bye
All right.
bye.
Salute you. All right. Bye.
Make sure you practice. Woo! And that is it, family. I want to appreciate you all for always